on my way to see my cousin Tiffany. She just got a new house and she wanted me to help her decorate. So let's go see what her new home looks like. Okay, so here is Tiffany's new home. Looks really nice. Let's see what she has for us.
Hi, how are you? Come on in. This is the house.
Great, I can't wait to see what you have. This is a beautiful house.
Thank you. So this is the living room where the breakfast nook, and I really need your help in here. This is the sunroom. So I would love to make this sunroom very comfortable, very cozy for family, friends to be able to just come, join together and just watch TV, play games, just really enjoy the outdoors but still be inside. So I definitely need your help.
Coming up next, we'll see the designs I have in store for Tiffany's sunroom. This is my idea. Incorporated that into the design. So based on the pictures that Tiffany sent me, I did a 3D model of her sunroom, and I came up with a design that I think she would like that would work well in her sunroom. This is your sofa that you bought, and these don't look like your chairs, but these could be your chairs. Okay. A little table in the corner.
That is perfect.
And I think a really nice rug would just open things up.
Okay.
Even though it's small out there, but the rug will make it look a lot bigger.
Okay. I love
especially a light colored rug with a little gold in it. And we can do sheer curtains, or we can do solid curtains. If you say there's a lot of sun coming in, we could get some blackout white curtains or cream curtains, and you can close them up. And I was thinking we could hang them right where the ceiling starts.
Okay.
And behind that area you can put some plants. We could get some either real plants or artificial plants to put in the background. And a couple of lamps, floor lamps will just warm everything up.
Oh my God, that's perfect.
I put a coffee table here, and the accessories, we could go to thrift stores, or we could go to Goodwill and I always find lots of nice silver pieces.
Okay.
Even the vases, we can get some little bowls of flowers and put on the table.
Oh wow! And then we can just drink our wine right here.
Right.
I love it.
So that's it.
I love it.
Like I said, we can go to Home Goods. They have really nice rugs. Probably get the pillows and the rugs from At Home.
Okay.
Or different stores, and then you can get the accessories from thrift stores, and we could just clean those up.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I do have lots of pillows in all various colors. I even have some upstairs too. So
okay, great. Yeah,
if you can use those, yeah. And then I also have like a lot of like a few vases and stuff. I want you to see what I have so you can move it around, because I know you can do something great with it. As well.
Let's do that. Let's look at what you have, and we can see how that works outside, and then we can go to the store to get the rest of the stuff to match what you have already.
I'm excited about today.
So after looking around Tiffany's home to see what she had that we could use, we went out shopping to find pieces to fit the design and to complement what she already had. At Home Goods, we found a large silver vase and a large houseplant. Then we went to the At Home store to pick up a few pillows, curtains, accessories, and a rug we thought that would work well. We also found a nice table to go in the corner of the room that just happened to perfectly match some chairs that she already had. To decorate, we hang sheer curtains around the room, added 2 floor lamps from Walmart in each corner of the room, and placed a large plant in the middle of the back of the room. Before I came, she had already found this beautiful sofa at the Rooms to Go outlet for about $300. And we added a little color to it using a combination of her pillows and pillows that we found at the home store. Instead of an area rug like the plants, we decided to get a smaller rug to help separate the areas in the room. In the middle of the rug, we placed a beautiful coffee table we found at Goodwill for just $12. On top of the table is a mercury glass vase with flowers, a few accessories, candle holders, sitting on top of a lovely tray that really mimics the rug. All these pieces we found at HomeGoods. The silver antique candle holders were pieces that Tiffany already had, and they looked perfect on the table. Lastly, to tie in all the silver pieces, we placed a large silver vase in the corner of the room. So with a little vision and planning, we were able to create a sunroom that Tiffany loved and can spend time with her family and friends. And just in time for a great housewarming party. Tiffany was so excited to welcome all her guests in to her beautiful new home. Showing all her family and friends around. And I had a ball spending time with my family.
Love you, Toni. My cousin.
And the sunroom was just perfect. It really opened up her home to a nice, warm, indoor-outdoor space that everyone just loved. And look, it even works as a great romantic getaway.
I was getting ready to say, are we interrupting something?
Thank you, Toni, very much. I love my entire house, especially my sunroom. Thank you, ma'am.
You look very
Make sure you like,
comfortable.
follow, and subscribe. Wherever social site that will be on, do that.
Thanks. And thank you, Tiffany. It was so fun shopping and decorating with you. I'm so happy everything worked out. See you next time. Now you can paint on any surface, indoor or outdoor, and mix millions of colors to create endless home beauty with our Your House a Home metallic multi-surface acrylic paint. Get your set of 8 beautiful colors on sale now at Amazon.com. Also available on Amazon in paperback and ebook is Volume 1 of our Book of Elegant Home Crafts. In it, you'll find step-by-step instructions for garden projects, home decor, event and wedding, even paper plants and flowers. And right now, only from my online bookstore, you can get the hardcover coffee table book for $10 off by using the coupon code in the description tab below. Follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Snapchat at Your House a Home and Your House a Home TV for daily home, food, and gardening tips.